Salut! In this lesson, I will guide you through les verbes modaux, which are playing a major part in the French conjugation. We will understand what they are, qu'est-ce que c'est, and how to use them. Les verbes modaux, or modal verbs in English, are verbs, or action words, that are adding nuance to the action of the verb they precede. Some people call them helping verbs, such as can in I can do this, or even should in I should do that. These verbs are expressing ability, obligation, will, or even interdiction. In French, we only have 3 modal verbs: vouloir, to want to; pouvoir, to be able to or to can; and finally, devoir, to have to. Attention, not to mix this last one, devoir, to have to, with avoir, to have. These verbs are extremely important as we use them constantly in English, just like in French. So you must know how they work in French. And you are quite lucky because, as I just said, they do work just like in English. For example, if you have a look at your downloadable document, you will notice that when using the verbs to be able to have to, or to want to in English, you, most of the time, need another verb with it at the infinitive form described in the previous lesson on this module. In French, we will do exactly the same. So pouvoir, devoir, et vouloir will mostly be followed by an infinitive. The infinitive is, to remind you, the non-conjugated form of the verb that you will find in the dictionary. So if we take the example shown on your document with the verb to succeed, which is very important for you, which is réussir in French. So to succeed is réussir. You will have vouloir réussir, which means to want to succeed. So vouloir is to want to, réussir is succeed. To want to succeed, vouloir réussir. In the same way, pouvoir réussir will be to be able to succeed. And devoir réussir will correspond to have to succeed. These modal verbs are irregular, but they all work in a similar way. So you will find a section for each of them in each module and in the recap module, so you can have a better picture of them and you can know how they do depending on the tense. That's it for us on this lesson. You can have a look at the quiz. It is very straightforward, but it's very good also for you to practice. So bravo, merci beaucoup et à très vite dans une autre vidéo.